Hey friends, how are you doing today? Today's episode is basically for all those lovely ladies out there who love wearing makeup. We have our likes, our favorites, our dislikes. There are different kind of makeup that we use. Some of them prefer only eyeliners, some of them prefer uh, lip gloss, some of them different types. Some of them have lipstick varieties and different sort of makeup. There are few among us who also carry makeup in their handbags, so that in case if when they wipe their face or something, the makeup gets wiped away, or it gets dull, they can always give a touch up. So this is something that I'm going to show off, a favorite lipstick of mine which I use, and how to um, fix it once it is smudged. At the same time, what you would do if one of the lipstick from the case, I'm not talking about the one where you roll and apply the lipstick, I'm talking about the one where you use the brush and apply it on your lips. So what you would do in order to have your lipstick refilled again. So stay with me, I am going to show you in a bit how to get this fixed. Also, before I go ahead with the video, I would like to remind you all to please subscribe to my channel, how hashtag hacks, and do click on the notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos, which definitely is going to be helpful to you at some point or the other. So let's get forward. This is my lipstick case which I use. I have just removed the other part of it, so it would be easier to show you all what I actually need to do. Now, if you notice this case, one side of it looks smudged. I'm having a lighter in my hand, by the way. One side of it is smudged and one side is completely over. See, that's the one which is over, and this is smudged. Can you see there's like a middle um, depth like in it? So what I'll do is, this part I will just heat it up with the lighter a bit. I'll keep on heating in this way here. Now you have to remember, you do not need to overheat it, just a slight heat so that it melts, and you can keep tilting it sideways. Remember, not too fast to tilt it, just slowly and a little, to just settle down along all the corners of the place of the lipstick. And there, it looks good. If you still feel it needs a little more, you can just put the lighter around that place and have it settle down. So that's good. You leave that to dry. For the other side, what we'll do is, if you have any favorite lipstick of yours, the roll lipstick, which you can directly apply on your lips, you'll need a blade for it, or a knife or any sharp thing, and you'll need to cut it off in this way. So I'll cut it off and I'll just put small pieces. You'll have to cut it in small sizes. The reason is because you do not need to overfill that area, that portion of the lipstick which is over. And again, you'll continue doing the same thing. See that you cut it in small pieces, so that in case if you feel that you would require more lipstick, you can always add in more at a later point of time. Once it starts melting, you'll realize if it's enough or not. See, I just put some more, and I'll do the same thing. I'll keep melting it, and you'll notice, as and when it's melting, it just spreads over, because it gets into a liquid form, so it starts spreading. If you still feel it requires more, like I do, I put a little more now, and with the heat around, it would melt. You'll realize if the lump is still there of the lipstick, that means it's not completely melted. You'll need to wait till the lump is completely gone. Can you see? I still feel there's a lump here. Okay, that's melted now. And there, you'll just leave it to dry. And that's it. We'll keep waiting, and in the meanwhile, just hang around till it dries. So this is now dried. uh, we have waited for quite some time. I have not captured the whole moment. And here, to just confirm it's dried, what you could do is just rub the tip of your finger. This was dried earlier, and there, see, it's completely dried off. This one you'll not be able to notice, it's too shiny. Just take a good amount. There, see, it's dried. So the fact that it doesn't come on your finger quite easily means it's dried well. So we are good to cover the lid and take it along. So lovely ladies out there, I hope this hack is going to be useful to y'all at one point or the other. And for those of y'all who have liked this hack or have any questions regarding it, that maybe y'all have a doubt regarding something, y'all want to know something more about it, y'all can definitely put in your questions in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy giving you an answer on it, or at least if not, trying to find out what is the solution for it. So I'll wait for your comments. Please do write in your comments. It does encourage me from time to time to make such videos and put up. And of course, as I requested earlier, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon to get updates from time to time on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of How. At some there are few of a few among there are so ladies, hope this hack is definitely